It's June Jam Worldwide. It is Friday, January 30th. And it's about 10 a.m. It is freezing, guys, and we're supposed to be having another winter storm. So here I am in front of Harris Teeter. We don't need anything because we stacked up the last snowstorm, which was a week ago. Not even a week ago. So we're full of groceries and snacks, but they have the bacon buy one get one, and I want to see what their pricing is. They have Hormel, and they also have Jimmy Dean, which is my #1 favorite. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Gotta break out the old raggedy Uggs. Yep, I'm in front of Harris Teeter. Let me hurry up because this cold is not for the weak. Whenever there's a storm coming, it's like a food apocalypse. There is absolutely nothing here. Over here, empty. Empty trays. Oh, they have turmeric. Even the breads are gone. Wow, that looks so good. Yeah, if I want to get one of these. Which one? Yeah, so the rolls are 60 cents each. I got those two. Why did I end up on this aisle? The candies seems to be on sale, even the M&Ms, which I'm sure I'll get. That's a lot for M&Ms though. I'll get those. My son will be happy. Yeah, that's all I'll get from here. Let's see what else they have. Yeah, that's all I get from here. This is literally my favorite candy bar. The Symphony. Extra creamy with almond and toffee. It's $4.39, but that's a lot for this. Jesus. I'll skip that today. Have you guys ever tried the peanut butter cups from Trader Joe's? It's dark chocolate with creamy peanut butter. It is actually the best candy ever. I'm gonna go ahead and get out this aisle before I start picking stuff up that I really don't need. So guys, I'm getting out the store so I can go home and get some breakfast. I'm picking up crap that I really don't need. So I'll see y'all at home, guys. I made it back home, guys, and it is brutal. It is so cold. Oh, my glasses are still dark. They'll clear up in just a second. So I ended up going to Harris Teeter. I went to the bank, then I went to Harris Teeter to check out the bacon sale. And on my way home, I remembered, oh, Aldi has the avocados on sale. So I stopped in there real quick. And this is what I got from Aldi's and Harris Teeter. So this is the couple of things I got from Aldi's. Just got a head of lettuce. And of course, what's always in my haul is the scallions. I got 2 bags of those. Their pricing is amazing. They're like 95 cents a bag. The lettuce was $1.85, I believe. And I just got 2 avocados. Oh, they're running away. Yep. So I just spent a few dollars in all these. The avocados look really good too. They were only 45 cents for the avocados. And Harris Teeter, yeah. I got the Snyder's pretzels, the bag of M&Ms. I got 2 Kaiser rolls. I'm gonna make a breakfast sandwich here in a second. That's my bill. Boneless pork ribeye. And this was only $4.99. I have never heard of such a thing, but I'm gonna try that. Maybe not today, but one day soon. And I don't know, because I couldn't find the bacon, so I got this pack. It's Hormel Black Label Thick Cut, and that was $5.99. I don't think that was a bad price for that at all. And I may check back on Monday to see if they restock the other items. And guys, I always heard about this and I wanted to try it. And at the register, I found it and I want to go ahead and try it later. It's a Snicker pecan. Yeah, it's kind of expensive. It was like almost $2 for that. One something. Yeah, so I'm going to try that later. All right, so that is my haul and I will talk to you all later.